patented Stiffy Stud Spanners are designed to secure conduit between studs up to 6 times faster than competitive products. The innovative fastener loop secures the support to metal studs with no tools or screws to ensure the fastest and most cost-effective connection possible. Made from zinc-plated rod for corrosion resistance, our spanners secure EMT, MCAC, and flexible conduit between studs. The figure 160 Stiffy Stud Spanners are available for 16-inch and 24-inch stud spacing and are quickly secured to just one of the studs. Figure 162, the Stiffy Fixed Stud Spanner for positive engagement on both studs are available in 16-inch and 24-inch spans. Figure 163, the Stiffy Adjustable Stud Spanner adjusts from 15 inches to 17 inches or 23 inches to 25 inches for use in either 16-inch or 24-inch spans. The figure 161 Stiffy Gripper quickly secure conduit to the spanners, saving time and reducing inventory on job sites. The SG3812 is designed for small MC and half-inch EMT. The SG1234 is for half-inch and 3/4-inch EMT. The SG3410 is for 3/4-inch and 1-inch EMT. The SG1114 works on 1-inch and 1 1/4-inch EMT. All Stiffy Stud Spanners are UL listed for use in the US and Canada and are Buy American Act compliant.